स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ। Hi guys, welcome to Manuver. So finally TISBAT 2020 exam date is announced, which is nothing but 2nd of August. And exam will be online mode. So looking at the situation of the corona in the country, TIS have decided to take your exam online. So guys, it is good news because काफी टाइम से एग्जाम पोस्टपोन्ड हो रहा था आपका. So online exam is the good alternative. So let's go to the official website of TISS and understand the detailed information. Okay, this is what the official website of TISS and this is what the information they have given, view details. So here they have mentioned TISBAT 2020 is scheduled for Sunday, which is nothing but August 2nd, and it will be online mode exam. And one more date they have given guys here, August 2 to 10th of August. दिस कुड भी पॉसिबल कि आपका विंडो टाइम है 2nd ऑफ अगस्त से लेकर के 10th ऑफ अगस्त तक एग्जाम होगा बाय टेकिंग द डिफरेंट स्लॉट्स. बट टिल नाउ TISS ने अभी इसके बारे में कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दी है. सो दिस इज व्हाट द माय प्रेडिक्शन कि ये विंडो के बेस पे एग्जाम होगा 2nd ऑफ अगस्त से लेकर के 10th ऑफ अगस्त तक. एंड वन मोर थिंग, दे हैव चेंज द पेपर पैटर्न ऑल्सो. 40 क्वेश्चन यू विल बी गेटिंग विच यू हैव टू सॉल्व इन 45 मिनट्स. About the essay writing, they have not said anything. So there will be 3 sections. General awareness, 14 question will be coming, and these are the detailed syllabus for this. Mathematics, 14 question, and these are the detailed syllabus for the mathematics. And last section is English, 12 question from this area, and these are the detailed topic. So in your mathematics, logical reasoning and DI both will be there guys. And here they have given one note, detailed such mode of examination procedures and the requirement will be uploaded soon. So how they will be taking your online exam, how will be the format, about this they will be informing very soon. But till now it is very clear that your exam will be on 2nd of August. As we are getting many calls, sir पेपर कैसे होगा, डिफिकल्टी लेवल वाइज कैसा होगा, इजी होगा, मॉडरेट होगा, टफ होगा. सो लेट मी टेल यू गाइज, paper will be easy to moderate because this is the first time TIS is taking your exam in such a format which is nothing but the online format. So it is for sure that paper will be easy to moderate, and score wise one should target 30 plus marks out of 40. This should be your ideal target. So the main challenge which you will be facing here, that is nothing but 40 questions you have to complete in 45 minutes. This is going to be a big challenge. So that is why we have launched 5 mock tests based on the new pattern. So do join this mock test program guys, which is based on the new pattern, and do attempt all the 5 mock tests and check whether you are scoring 30 plus marks or not. And if you are lacking, what are the hurdles coming across, do work upon it. So if you want to join new pattern mock test and the TISBAT courses, kindly visit manuedu.com website. This is what the official website. After then just go to the buy online BB entrance. Here you will get full course, books, mock test and the sectional courses. If you go to the full course, so we have launched one TISBAT mini course which includes your video lectures, mock test and the PDF as well. So the moment you will join this course, immediately this get activated and you can start your preparation. Same way, if you go back, click on the mock test. So here you can see TISBAT new pattern 5 mock tests. So this will be a proper new pattern mock test, 40 questions which you have to complete in 45 minutes. And if you are lacking particular section, let's say English, maths, logic or the GK, so in that case you can join the sectional courses. And if you don't have a books, you can take the access of ebooks. So guys, tighten your belt for the preparation. Give your 100% for next couple of days so that you can crack your TISBAT and finally end up with the TISS campus. In case if you want to join TISBAT mini course, sectional, new pattern mock test, ebooks, kindly visit manuedu.com/bb entrance. Same link I have given in the description. So kindly check the description. For any query and assistant, you can call on 8828581455. Very soon I'll be putting 2 more videos. One is about the study planning for next couple of days and second is the mock strategy. So stay tuned. All the very best. Thank you.